Good morning, everyone, from courtside BLM land in Arizona. It's beautiful and costs $0 for 14 days stay here. I love it here. It's peaceful and quiet and safe. But the problem is I do not have a shower out here. So I've been washing up and I really need to take a shower today, and that's a must. So guys, yeah, I donated my fancy shower tent because I was way too cluttered in here. So that's gone. I got the shower bag, so let's get the water inside of the shower bag and put it on top of the car so it can warm up. It warms up quicker in the plastic than anything else. I think I need a funnel. Yeah, I think that's enough water for my shower for today. You know, I gotta use water sparingly because there's no water on BLM land. So this is good. 2 gallons of water. I mean, I'm good. And I have another gallon for tomorrow. Okay, so we're gonna let it stay on top of the car and warmed up. So it'll be nice and warm. Probably about 1 p.m. right now. So it should be good in another 2 hours, nice and hot or nice and warm, I'm hoping. Guys, I need wood, and here I have a hatchet with a saw. I'm gonna put this thing together and go get some wood for tonight. The saw. I'm gonna place the saw right here, just like so. Then close it up. Here you have it. I have a saw. Guys, I found nice pieces of wood right there. It's not on the tree. It's like, you know, just laying on the ground. So I'm gonna saw a piece of this off and take it with me. Yeah, I got it. I got it, guys. Nicely sawed. Look at this beauty right there. All right, so I'm gonna do about 4 or 5 more of these just like this, because I'm gonna use it to cook tonight. And I am starving, and I feel sticky and sweaty, and I just need a shower. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so I think that should be enough wood. So now I have to build this fire pit. I mean, the line out is already there, but you know, it haven't been used in a while. And fires are allowed here. Everyone has fire pits here, so fire pits are allowed. And I'm gonna just put this fireplace together so I could use it later after my shower. All right, so let's set up the fireplace. Let's get some rocks. So guys, I have a little trick that I am going to do in the fire ring. That's how my grandparents, my grandmother used to build her fire ring and cook when I was in the country. Okay, I think that's enough wood in there for right now. That's ready. All right, I need a shower, guys. I have to go take a shower. So, okay, everyone. I am ready for my shower. I put this wrap on my head because my hair is not gonna get wet. No way. I can't right now with that. I can't be bothered. And here is my shower bag up here with the faucet, and also I have my bucket right there with my scrubby, and I'm all blacked in. I use this bag right here just for extra protection because like the space is wide open, you see. So now I put it there, and I'm a little blacked in. I mean, it's better than before. I know a lot of you might be asking, what happened to your shower tent? I donated because I was cluttered in here. Like, my space was cluttered with all of that, so I had to find new ways of taking showers. And yeah, so this is not the best, but right now it's, for me, the most practical. Oh, I drink some of the water. The wind is cold, but the water is so warm. Alright guys, I am done with my shower. I am going to make something to eat right now. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day or morning. I have some pasta left over. Yeah, it's not a lot of pasta, but I just want to finish it up. I'm gonna break it. The pasta is ready. Whew. Damn, I have this, and I'm done with me. It's getting so dark so quick. Yeah, have a piece of pork. Oh, this is cooking. This is what cooking looks like. BLM land cooking. Oh, guys, dinner is ready. I don't want the fire to go. Dinner time. Some gravy. This is good. So guys, it is time for me to get inside my car before the foxes and the coyotes start to come out, because they come out like when it's dark, especially the fox. I don't like to take chances out here, man, because you can't see them when it's dark. So let's go inside of the car. Okay, so go in. Yeah, I need a shade for my lamp. I have to get me a lampshade. I changed over into something comfortable, and I'm just gonna sit here and watch a movie. The Heart of War with Tom Cruise. That's the movie I put on right now. My blackout shades are up. Like, see? Everything is all blacked in. I love it.
Kicking the teeth. The door's locked. Still working on this.
I'm gonna enjoy this movie, and I'm gonna say good night. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It's a very chilly morning. Oh my. That's how I sleep. I could look at my bedroom. I know I was tossing and turning all night long. Yeah, guys, my setup is a no-build setup. It works for me. So if I wanted to put the seat up, I could, you know. Favorite ginger tea, and I got some oatmeal that I'm making for breakfast. And yeah, this is my first time being in Quartzsite, and I have to say this is beautiful area to be in. Really nice. It is safe, and I've been here for 5 days and I have no problem, none whatsoever. I visited the town. The town was spectacular, like beautiful little town. Oh, my water is boiling, guys. So I always mix my tea with honey. I am almost out of honey, but that's what I use instead of sugar. Like this much. Sitting here soaking up courtside BLM land atmosphere. It is such a freeing experience. I manage and taking a shower every single day since I'm here. There's a town 15 minutes that way, so I get my water there and come back every single day and take a shower. So guys, and this is how I stay fresh and clean while living on a BLM land. Cheers, guys. This tea is so good. So guys, I am going to end the video here. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment for more raw and real nomadic videos. And thank you guys. Sip Life Raw and Real. Thank you so much. And I will see you next week. Bye. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Thank you.